Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Now guys, in today's video, as from the title you can see clearly, it is going to be a Shein fashion haul. Yes, another Shein fashion haul. But what makes this one most exciting is that this is going to be like a Shein sale fashion haul. So all the things I got on Shein, I got them on the sale section, and I'm here to give you guys the tea as always. You guys know that when it comes to Shein, I am almost like an ambassador at this point because I'm always buying things on Shein all the freaking time. Anyway, let's get right into these items. Let me show you guys everything I got in this haul. The very first thing I want to show you guys here will most likely be my favorite item, if I'm being completely honest. This is a very simple, very simple black lace dress, right? This is what it looks like. You guys know, with all my hauls, I'll definitely wear these things for you guys to see what they look like. But this is what this is looking like. And it's just a very simple black dress. It doesn't have the best, in terms of fabric, the fabric is not like stiff. You can see how I'm able to roll this up like this. It's a very, I don't want to use the word flimsy. It's not flimsy, yeah, but at the same time it's not like, oh my god, it's the greatest quality. But the thing about this dress is that it looks amazing. I'm sorry, it looks amazing on me, that I don't even care if it's not, in terms of quality, it's not like you know, it's amazing. I love the fit on me. I love the sweetheart neckline that it's got. I love the polka dot lace that the dress has, and of course I love that it is black because see, I'm tilting a lot more towards black. I feel like with me, when it comes to colors, I have like colors for different seasons. Okay, this season I have been wearing a lot of like black tops, you know, black dresses and all of that. So this is definitely right up my alley. I have something similar like this from a Nigerian brand, but it was long sleeve, right? And it wasn't fully laced to the end, but this one is fully laced. It is short sleeve, it has a sweetheart neckline, and it's perfect if you want to go for a party or like a hangout, but you don't want to be overdressed. You want to look simple, you want to look cute, you want to look sexy, but you don't want to be doing too much. I feel like this dress, I'm not even sure how much I bought this dress, but I'll leave the prices on this screen. Again, the prices are definitely sale prices. Whatever I got this dress for me, it is relatively cheap, okay? But yes, I love this. Very cute, and I believe like it's my favorite thing in this haul. I can't even lie, my absolute favorite thing. Next up, and possibly my second favorite thing. I'm not showing you guys these things in order of favorites, okay? It's just happening that way. But I got this lovely set, okay? It is a blouse and skirt set. And it reminds me so much of something I have from Shein also that I got many years ago, a wine colored velvet blouse with pearls. But this one is a set, okay? So it's a wine colored velvet long sleeve blouse with a matching skirt. And let me just tell you guys, this is screaming I'm sexy and I know it. Look at me, I've entered the place today. That's what this outfit is giving me. I love this. I love the fact that it is long sleeve. The pearls on this just make it look very expensive. It makes it look like you paid a fortune for it. The sleeve has a bit of a puff, okay, just a little tiny bit of a puff, and the top itself, it's almost like a crop top, almost, because it has a detailing in the middle, okay, and then the skirt as well has that same detailing in the center as well. So pretty. The only thing I would say I don't like about the outfit is that the skirt has a wide elastic band. It's not like an elastic band that's when you wear it, it will just cinch back into whoever is wearing it, the waist of whoever is wearing it. It just has a wide elastic band, so I think it's a bit loose on the waist for me, and I find myself going to, you know, fit this in a little bit. But aside that, I absolutely love this. I love the style. Patiently waiting for the next invite I'm going to get to wear this outfit and go somewhere, because that's exactly what's gonna happen. Next up is something very typical that you would see Alma wearing. and it is this lovely orange dress. I am queen of sheath dresses at this point, okay? I love my sheath dresses so much because they are effortless and you just wear it and go. You don't have to bother about wearing waistline inside so that your body will look cinched up. You don't have to worry about those things. That's why I love wearing sheath dresses when I don't want to struggle thinking about what I want to wear. But I love this because of the color. This was available in many colors. I think there was a purple, there was a yellow, there was a pink, but I'm trying to stay away from pink these days, guys, because I feel like I have used and abused pink. So this lovely orange dress is right up my alley. My favorite thing about it is the color as well as the sleeve. I love the ruffles on the sleeve. Just give it a little bit of an oomph, so that it's not just a plain sheath dress. There's not much to say about this. The quality is just okay. It's not but it's okay. Again, I can't wait to wear this in the coming days or weeks. You guys definitely see if I'm going to wear this anywhere. This is typical Alma, okay? Typical Alma. The next thing I got, yes, I actually like this too, is a red, is it red or wine colored now? Burgundy. It's in between burgundy and wine. Is this long sleeve fitted dress, and I like this also because it's a very simple style and I don't think I have anything like this in my closet, if I'm being completely honest. I love the fabric that this came in. It's very good fabric, very stretchy fabric, and it has like this tiny, how do I call it now? These tiny lines. I don't know how to describe it. This fabric has a name. The quality is great. The style is really cute. It looks like a wrap dress, but it is not a wrap dress, okay? The way it's styled, it has like ruffles on the side that want to resemble when you've tied a wrap dress, you know, that thing on the side. This is also a very nice sexy dress. This would accentuate your figure, so you know you have to sock it in very well. This is a dress that I know I want to wear to go party, okay, to go for a little bit of enjoyment. In my head, I want to wear this dress with gold heels, carry a gold clutch, and look good. I just love this. It's a very good buy, and for the prices I got these, love this. This has to be like my third favorite thing now in this haul. Absolutely love it. Next up, I have this cute coffee brown romper, okay? If you don't know what a romper is a short jumpsuit, in case you don't know. It has buttons in the middle, and the quality of this is not bad at all, if I have to say so myself. It's not bad at all. I love the sleeve. It also comes with a belt to cinch in your waist further. I don't really have rompers, to be honest. Thinking about it right now, I used to have rompers in the past when I was slimmer, when I still had a small body like that. I haven't worn a romper in a very long time, so that was actually the reason why I bought this one, because I feel like rompers are the one thing that you can easily just throw on and just go somewhere without thinking too much, you know, rompers and jumpsuits in general. So yeah, I just thought to try out this one, and I love it. The fabric is good. The fabric is almost like a sweater fabric, okay, not as heavy as sweater like that, but you know, it has some weight to it, which is why I said the fabric is good quality. The color is great, very cute. Next up is this shift dress. Yes, another shift dress. Guys, don't come for me, please. I already bought fitted things there, so I must also buy things that are a bit loose, because that's my vibe on a normal day. But I got this a very cute green, yes, green sleeveless dress. It's a shift dress, so there's no like fit to it, okay? But I love what's happening down there. It has a bit of a ruffled hem down there, and I love the print on this. It has like very tiny flowers. I don't know what these flowers may be called. Maybe daisies. Let's call them daisies, okay? So they have like very tiny white daisies all over the dress. And if you don't know, I used to be a sucker for floral prints, okay guys? I used to have a lot of floral printed things until I had to tone it down 10 notches. So this is like my first time buying something floral in a while, okay? In a long while. And again, with this dress, they had so many colors. They had pink, purple, yellow, red, blue, brown, all sorts of colors, but I went for the green. I felt like the green looked best, or rather the green was something I wanted. I can wear this at any time to go anywhere, and yeah, very nice. Quality is okay. The fabric is slightly a bit see-through, slightly, ever so slightly, but aside that, it's a nice dress. And the last clothing item I got is a set, okay, a skirt set. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that many of my sets are pant sets, but this time around, I've been getting some skirt sets, okay? This one is also a skirt set. And the reason why I got this was because I loved how the blouse looked. The blouse looked so nice. It has this tie detail in the front, very similar to that velvet one I showed you guys earlier. The thing with this one is that you can actually pull it up or pull it down to give it like that crop top effect. Love it so much. It comes in a great color. I can't recall now if there were other colors available, but this was the color that I saw, and I picked this particular one, long sleeved. And I prefer this skirt to the skirt that came with the velvet one. This skirt just fits a lot better. It just has a very nice high-low ruffle at the hem, okay, very pretty. This is something I can dress up or down. I can wear this to a proper hangout. I can wear this to something casual, you know. I can wear this to something a lot more dressed up, okay. I feel like it's something that I can easily wear for everything. I just love it. I love the fact that it has a bit of a crop thing, you know, even though we don't have flat belly, we just want to be showing a peak here and there, you know. But yeah, I like this. I like this. Very nice. And then last but not least, I got a pair of slippers, or like India Bodo would like to say, a pair of sandals. In Nigeria, what we call sandals are different. The ones that have straps are sandals, and the ones that look like this are slippers. But I got these slippers because the color just got me, okay. Funny thing was that I didn't plan to buy any footwear. I was scrolling for clothes, and these slippers kept coming up. In every page I open, I'll see these slippers. I say, okay, let me go just buy the slippers. It was not expensive. It doesn't feel expensive either. It's a bit light, but you know, we'll see how long this will last, okay. But I love the style, love the color. The braided thing here, right up my alley. It looks amazing on my feet, if I do say so myself. And yeah, it's just very pretty. This will be something I can just put my legs in and run out the door to just do anything. You get, when it comes to Shein, your shoe size is your shoe size, okay. I got this in a 39, which is my shoe size, and it fits perfectly. It's not too big, it's not too small, it just fits perfectly. This has to be maybe the fourth favorite thing in this haul because I love it. I actually really like it. All right, so that's all I have for you guys in today's haul. About 7 items, about 7 clothes and 1 footwear. Not much, but you guys would have seen basically how much these items cost, and I'll leave a total cost of what I spent. I don't think I spent up to $100 on these things, if I'm being completely honest. I'm not sure, but I'll leave the price, total cost, on the screen. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Maybe we'll do a haul in the coming weeks again. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah.